Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do another reaction video to Anahi. This is Anahi from the group RBD, and this is her performance at the Premios Juventud 2016. So,
mi corazón se deshace, mi pulso se desanima, cargo un pesar.
oh, the bitch is singing live too.
Recuerdos que contaminan.
Oh,
tu ausencia es una tormenta que arrasa
yes.
con alegría. Soy una lágrima seca. Soy una rama caída.
She better fuck that camera. Oh, she's
Lo
singing.
más triste de todo es aceptar que mis labios, tus besos mendigan. Lo más triste de todo es que no vuelves, no vuelves, te vas.
The stage, the background, the clothes, the smoke.
Si me hubieras amado y mi nombre se hubiera borrado,
And she's singing live.
hubieras escrito y tu pluma me hubiera tachado, como si tu cuerpo tuviera toda la memoria vacía, como si cruzaras la puerta.
Child, whoever did her makeup this night needs a raise for that. Her face is flawless.
Y embriagado de anestesia, como si tuviera
We see you, bitch.
amnesia.
Yes, and this was the same night I think Dulce performed too. Oh.
Pienso en sombras de noche, te sueño en pena de día. Si me levanto del suelo, tu voz retumba y me inclina. Y lo más triste de todo es aceptar que mis labios, tus besos.
I think this is the best I've ever seen her look. Ever. The staging, the makeup, the hair, the headpiece, the clothes, the staging, the vocals. I think this is the best I've ever seen her. Well, talking about all the videos I react to. Oh, she looks good. That was a very good performance. I think this is the best I've ever seen her. This is a very good production. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm watching them perform separately. They're really good entertainers separately. As a group, you could see it together. But as a group, the group didn't give you this, really. They did not give you this. I don't really react to the males yet too much, but the females, they really is doing good, and I love her stage presence. It's like how she worked the stage. She didn't really do much dancing. You have the musical live instruments in the back. She's singing, giving live vocals. She gave you a nice silhouette, nice dress on with a headpiece. The makeup was flawless. The stage was everything. I love the smoke coming out, giving us the dramatic effect. Give us the mood and emotion to the song, and then lights in the background. I think everything was beautiful. She sounds amazing. Amazing. This was a very good performance. I really do like that performance. I think this is my favorite. Actually, this is one of my top 2 favorite songs I've ever heard from her, and I think she sounds beautiful. Beautiful. I think this is my top 2 performance from her. This is very good. Very good. Very good. So thanks for the recommendation. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate that. I think this song's called Amnesia. So I really do like that. It was very good. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, please feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.